Hello everyone, in the Cisco Practical Packet Tracer series we are going to do one lab, that is inter VLAN lab by using DHCP server also. So this is a mixed lab, a small scenario, mini project. In this one we have the 4 switches and some PCs. If you see here, imagine I already wrote here, the green color means VLAN 100 and we are using the IP 192.168.100.0/24, this network. So this means this is a VLAN 100 and this also VLAN 100. Okay, these are VLAN 100 and this color here, this is a VLAN 200. We are going to configure here also VLAN 200. We are going to put this port in the VLAN 200 and this interface in VLAN 100. This one also VLAN 100 and this is in the VLAN 200. And after that what we are going to do, we are going to configure the DHCP server here in this router, and also we are going to do the inter VLAN routing. Why we are using inter VLAN routing? To make the communication between different VLAN. Okay, so let's do this lab so you will have more idea about this one. This is simple only but important, so you will learn many things in this lab. So let me take the notepad. We are going to do the configuration here. Okay, so I will write here inter VLAN routing lab with DHCP server. I am making router as a DHCP. Okay, so let me make here and let me correct here. I miss here DHCP, I miss the P. Okay, so now let me make this is capital letter, all are here capital, so let me do this also capital. Okay, so inter VLAN routing lab plus DHCP server. Okay, DHCP server is nothing but our router only, he is acting as a DHCP server. So let me start doing the configuration. I can go here in the switch, we can do from switch, we can do from router, your wish, wherever we want we can do. Okay, wherever we want we can do, no issue. Let me start the switch 1. Okay, so let me write here this is a switch 1 configuration. If I write here in the notepad, it is easy for you to understand also, that's why I am doing here in the notepad. I will write enable config T. Okay, I am doing for this switch 1. If you have confusion, let me show you. This is a switch 1. Okay, so we are going to do the configuration for this switch. Here we are going to create the VLAN 100, VLAN 200, both VLAN, and we are putting this port in the VLAN 100. This one is a VLAN 200. This port will be trunk, this port will be trunk. Okay, so let's do now. So what I will do, I will write enable. Okay, enable config T. Then after that what I will do here, I will give the name. Okay, let me write the host name. Host name is switch 1. Host name is switch 1. After that I will write interface fast Ethernet 0/4. 0/4. I am using 0/4. Then after that what I will write here, switch port mode access. Okay, this command we are using to put that interface in that VLAN. Okay, switch port access VLAN, which VLAN? This one 100. Okay, this one I am saying this one. Before putting the interface in the VLAN, let me create the VLAN also. So I will write here VLAN 100 name. What is the name we plan to give here? Let me check what name we plan here. We did not give any name, but let's give the name if we want. I will give VLAN 100 as a IT. Okay, and then I will write here VLAN 200 name will be sales. Okay, and if you see this interface fast Ethernet 0/4, this one I put in the VLAN 100 because this color, let me check this color, whatever this color is 200, so let me change this to 200. Okay, this is 200. Now I need to look this interface fast Ethernet 0/3. Fast Ethernet 0/3. So let me copy this whole thing. So it will be very fast. The configuration will be very fast. I will paste here. I will change this interface as fast Ethernet 0/3 So this will be 0 by 3, and if you see I will make this as a 100. Why 100? Because this green color means 100. So this port, 2 port already configure. Now we need to configure the other interface, that is a interface. I will use the range command, range fast Ethernet 0 by 1 dash 2. Okay, this one, this interface. I am taking interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 1 dash 2. I want to put this one as a trunk. Okay, I want to create the trunk. So what we will do, we will write switch port mode trunk. Okay, with this command we make the trunk. So this configuration is finished. Let me copy and paste and check if we have any issue in this configuration or everything is okay. I will go in the CLI of the switch. Okay, let me paste the configuration here. If you see, everything is okay, no error, nothing, everything is good here. Okay, everything is good here, no issue. If you want to check, we can check show VLAN brief. So we have two VLAN 100 that is IT, VLAN 200 that is sales. And if you have confusion, let me highlight this one. I am saying this is a 2 VLAN we created, and fast Ethernet 0 by 3 in the VLAN 100, fast Ethernet 0 by 4 in the VLAN 200. Okay, if you want to check show interface trunk, this 2 interface is in the trunk also. Okay, no issue, right? This 2 interface in the trunk. So this configuration is finished. I will save the configuration for the switch 1. Now we need to do for the switch 2. In the switch 2, let me copy the same configuration. Okay, and I will paste here. I will divide this notepad and I will paste the configuration here. Now I will change the name as a switch 2 here. This name will change to switch 2, and this one also switch 2. This both we will use, no issue. Even if we have one PC, let me create both. And if you see fast Ethernet 0 by 3 is in the green means 100. So I will write fast Ethernet 0 by 3. This configuration remains same. I will remove this one because we are not using this. Okay, so what we done, same configuration we copy paste and we use this fast Ethernet 0 by 3 is in the VLAN 100. Green color means 100 VLAN, that is a IT. And after that I will say interface range F0 by 1 and F0 by 2 in the trunk, because I want to make this 2 interface as a trunk. So configuration is ready here. If you see here, this configuration is okay, right? If you see this one, this is okay. So I will copy and paste in the switch 2. Let me go to the switch 2 here. Let me press enter, so it will be clear. You can easily understand and you can see clearly. If you see, everything is good here, no error, nothing, everything is good. So all the configuration is okay here. If you want, I will save the configuration. If you want to check show VLAN brief, we can check. Here also we created, but here we did not put interface because we don't have the VLAN 200 PC in this one. Okay, that's why we did not put any interface. Now I will check show interface trunk. I want to check the trunk interface. I don't have, I have only this 2 interface as a trunk. So everything is good. I will save the configuration, no issue. After that, what we will do, we will do the configuration for the switch 3 and switch 4. So let me copy the same configuration here and make the modification. So what I will do, I will copy from here to here. Okay, and I will paste here. Let me divide this notepad and paste here. So this is a configuration here. I will change this as a 3, this also 3. Okay, and here if you see, we don't have any VLAN, but anyhow I will create the VLAN. We will create the whatever VLAN we are using. And if you see fast Ethernet 0 by 3, this is a interface. Fast Ethernet 0 by 3 is connected to the router. Okay, fast Ethernet 0 by 3 is connected to the router. And what we are going to do for this one, this router we are using as a DHCP server also. Okay, this router we are going to use as a DHCP server. And also what we are going to do here, this one we will do a router on a stick, this configuration. So what I need to do, this interface I need to put in the trunk. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove this one. Okay, So now we have the configuration, and here I will put only one interface. Or if you see, this configuration is good. Okay, let me or select the, yes, what I will do, I will make modification here. Okay, I want to put this interface. Let me take my pen. Maybe this video become lengthy, but I am explaining each and every step, so it will be easy for the new guy who don't know anything about the networking. Okay,